It's fasting, so I want you to forgive me for what I've done.
Look at mom's and look at mine. Look at mine and look at mom's. Those are mine, those are mom's. Like, you're 30 years old, you still have your mom make your roti. First of all, my mom don't make roti anymore.
Yeah.
We have to do frozen naans.
She's gonna cry.
We have Nimura. Hold on, I'm gonna add more ruh afza.
Hold on, I'm adding
No,
lemon.
take it off the lemon. Put in the ruh afza. Hello friends, what's up? Ramzan Mubarak to everybody. Mom also wants to say it.
Happy Ramadan to everyone. Please stay safe, pray, and keep us in your prayer. You guys are in our prayers, so just remember that.
And agar bhook lag rahi hai, kha lo.
So it's actually, I want to say this is our third or fourth rosa today. I haven't been able to vlog during our... Stop this! I can't! You guys know my fat loss challenges have been going on, so today was the official start date of the most recent one, and now I'm not going to have another one until June 1st, like after Ramadan. So if you guys have joined, I'm excited. You guys can go and find everything on bodmonzaid.com, and if you haven't joined, I'm going to have a next one after Ramadan. So now that that is all taken care of, I'm able to vlog and film more, just because that has been my priority the last month. I think the first or second rosa that we had, mom had made some shami kebab. Now these are so good, you guys have to go on, by the time this video is up, the shami kebab recipe will be up on her channel as well. So we have some pre-made shami kebabs here, and then we also have like the actual meat itself, and we're gonna make some burgers. And shami kebab burgers are so good, especially if you have them with raita and stuff. Mom, are you here? Is it okay if they're cracked like that?
No, crack hoga टूटेंगे ना.
How do you make sure they're not cracked?
हाथ पे पानी लगाओ, फिर उनको गोल बनाओ, फिर.
So how do you make sure they don't crack?
प्याली में रखो ना पानी.
Can you get me pyali?
लाए बा.
Water. You want to separate egg whites for me?
Yeah, I got you.
How come I don't trust you?
Buddy, I cook better than you. Ask mom. I've been her assistant now for a year. You don't think I can cook better than you?
Well, that was good.
Well, we need something for the yolk now.
Get another bowl. Or keep it in there.
But my hands dirty.
My hands are dirty too. So my tikis are not round. Don't be ashamed. We don't shape shame here. We do actually.
We shape know that.
Oh, the guys, none of them are the same. None of them are the same shape.
Hold on. I'm gonna show you more tricks, Lab. Lab, you can learn today, man.
Let's go in my kitchen, okay?
Don't show me, show them.
I'm showing you because you need to learn this.
Why?
Because you didn't make the video.
Okay, so all you're doing right now, he is panting the egg.
How'd you know that word?
Panting?
Yeah, we made that word up.
No, you didn't make it up.
Yeah, we did.
Dad says it all the time. Andoko panto.
Panto, and then you
mix
got that.
up the egg yolk.
And then honestly, what we're gonna do is pour it right into a pan.
Fry it and then put it on top of our burger.
If you make a burger.
I'm gonna make a burger. Are you gonna?
I'm gonna eat it with rice.
Oh yeah, I'll make rice for you after this.
Yeah. You're liable, bro. What is this?
Why is the sun so bright? Heat.
Mom, look at her shapes. Come.
Mom, do you like my shape?
लाए बा, सही बनाओ.
I'm actually trying. Do you remember when we had this one family friend, and they would, to feed their kids when they're younger, they would take the rice dal and make it into balls like this,
it was
and stuff it into their face.
No, but I used to go eat it too. I'm not gonna lie.
The big balls.
Yeah. So I'd be playing with the kid, and she would give it to me too. She was a very nice lady.
Yo, she was very nice. It just at that time.
So she would feed him the ball and feed me the ball too.
Yeah, because you guys are the same age.
But she would squish it into like a little.
I think a lot of Desi parents do that.
And then like, here, eat it.
Yeah, but mom, I never did that for us, I think. So she would basically like make it into a ball like this.
And then feed it from her hand like this, like here, eat it. Or like bite the ball.
You just mess and I would feed my kid that
I wouldn't do that.
I would stuff all the vegetables in.
Ooh, like in the mix of the thing? Yeah. Do you guys know Lava gave me a lot of skincare stuff? You guys, you should show them.
I keep telling him to do a skincare routine. No, do you want to? You can.
It's like, look, your skin, my skin went from here to...
Nude on his face. No? Nude on his face. I was telling him to do like a full skincare routine because guys for some reason think that it's like they shouldn't do skincare. Mom always says double the amount of water, so we're gonna do 2 cups rice and 4 cups.
In that pot?
I should put it in a bigger pot.
Yeah, that's a lot of rice to put in that pot.
You act like you don't know, but you know.
No, I just know from watching. Yo, okay, you ever think about, speaking of know but you don't know, you ever think about the fact that like I'm gonna have to pretend and act like I don't know about skincare?
Why do you have to pretend?
Huh? Because
you
it sounds too much.
People. No, you have me as a sister. I had the worst acne and I am an advocate for skincare. No?
Wow, exfoliating so cool. That's me pretending, acting like I heard about exfoliating for the first time. I knew about exfoliating. Anything that scrubs your skin is exfoliating.
I think they know that though.
They know that. But guys don't know that.
I don't know if I have guys watching me.
But you know guys don't know that?
Yeah, I know guys don't know that.
Should I call a tablespoon?
Well, I know mom says oil and then
yeah,
Zaid.
so you put in a little bit of oil though. I'll show you, I've done it before.
I love the smell of cumin seeds.
Like you just do like a little splash of oil. Keep going.
I mean, lots is a little
That's
bit
good.
more than Zaid. It smells so good.
Yeah, Zeta is just something else.
Smell it, guys. Our cooking skills are.
Should we mix this or what though?
Oh yeah, maybe, right?
I have a question. Should we have added this after the water?
No, right? No, I think it's in the water.
Whatever, mom will be in soon and then we'll know.
I mean, I'm sure she'll tell us where we've done wrong in our life.
That's her favorite thing to do, bro.
She comes
She's
and will
become like
bring
a evil. What is that called?
Auntie? Auntie?
I like the finesse you're using right now.
What? Oh no, I told them I'm warming these.
Oh, okay.
Oh, he thought.
I thought you were pretending like it was these ones because you're not really showing it.
Look.
So I thought you were like, oh look.
No, because I thought I'd warm the ones that are already made. Look, I'm not
you
that.
You know what that looked like,
I
right?
know. I'm not that.
You're not that kind of a fake YouTuber.
I don't care if they think I can cook or not. It's like this is me. I make Shan packet masalas and sometimes Mama's.
And that broccoli pasta.
And the broccoli pasta. And the hadi that day I made.
Cupcakes are really good. I make cupcakes really good. Out of a box.
Out of a box.
But
so what
really
you do
good. Oh, but you made nihadi the other day.
Yeah, I made nihadi.
And you made chicken kadai really good.
Yeah. So I'm getting there with Mom's channel.
With
Mom's channel.
Produced by
Mom. Starring Mom. Ow! Why did you do that?
It's produced by me, bro. Say it.
No.
Say it.
No.
Say it's produced by me.
Video graphed by UZAIR.
Edited
by UZAIR. Ow, that really hurt. I just don't want another smack on my forehead. Ew, UZAIR, your lint is going in the right.
Where? There's no lint.
If there is lint.
There is no lint, bro.
You ever been that dirty?
That's lint on your hands? Yeah.
Yeah.
Ew. You ever been that dirty? Yeah, no, I've been that dirty before. You go like this and then there's little black.
But that's like, but you know what it is? That's just from having mel on your hands. Ooh, these look really good.
What is mel?
Mel is
it's impurities.
Dirt. Impurities. Make me panty you. Don't make me panty you. Ow.
Those are really hard hits. That's not even nice. It's fasting, so I want you to forgive me for what I've done. I'm fasting, so forgive me for what I've done. Alright, fine, chill.
Stop touching it. Can you poke your finger in one of these to see if it's warm on the inside?
No, I have your forehead on my finger.
How do I know if it's warm on the inside?
Bro, it's not even time to eat, so even if it's warm on the inside or not, it doesn't matter.
I have all these to fry too though.
No, we're not frying all those.
Why?
No one's gonna eat all those.
This is enough for us?
No.
Then how much do we need?
Yeah, fry some more.
How much are you gonna have? 2? Or
I'm gonna
4?
have 3.
Be honest.
But I don't want the burger. I'm just gonna have the kebab.
With the rice.
Okay, I'm gonna have 4 or 5.
That's what.
Oh shit, so 4 or 5. So this is 6. But hold on, we also have pakorde.
Yum.
So there's a joke in our house that I can't say pakorde.
Yeah, because he can't. Well, you're rolling your R's now.
On purpose, yeah, pakorde.
Pakorde. No, the one I couldn't say is bagard. Bagard. Like that, I can't say it. Mom says they're really nice. Okay, so these are all yours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Why can't I have some of the fresh ones? No, bro, no, take this out. Take this out.
No, that one's the cold one. I put this in last. Why?
But why is it in there like that?
Why? It's gonna soak it up? Is it gonna soak it up?
No, but it's like, don't you want more oil than that?
Okay, can you do it then? What, like, since when did you become a chef?
We made these 4 days ago. Like, I can't watch you make them.
My forehead still hurts.
Make them
I don't
all.
know if Sana has shami kebab. Oh no.
Oh no. Why not? What happened?
No. There we go. Oh no.
What?
It's okay.
What happened?
Look at mom's and look at mine. Look at mine and look at mom's. Those are mine.
Wah, wah, wah.
Those are mom's. How are hers so perfectly round?
I have no idea, but she's really good at the pera skills. Like she has a skill to it.
Maybe because she's made a lot of rotis in her life. No, like that's not even like a diss.
Why would that be a diss? What are you talking? Why?
Like
She's made a lot of rotis in her life. Why would that be a diss?
No, I just.
She genuinely cooked a lot of rotis in her life. Why would that be a diss?
I instantly feel like.
So the internet might kill you.
Yeah. Like you're 30 years old, you still have your mom make your roti. First of all, my mom don't make roti anymore.
Yeah.
We have to do frozen naans.
She's gonna cry. It's all coming out.
It's okay. We're still really well fed. Have you seen UZAIR?
We're still really well fed. Have you seen UZAIR? I'm dying.
Yo, these are really soft. They're gonna break.
That was a subtle flex. My shami kebabs are so soft. That's like a good thing.
Mom made them.
Moms are old now.
Look at mom hers. Oh no, I forgot the anda. What is this?
Look, this is all food from Us's house.
Oh yeah! I think everyone's gonna forget it's my birthday.
Oh yeah.
Okay, guys, it's UZAIR's birthday tomorrow, and I think no one remembers.
Yeah, but we're kind of hoping that happens with that. But anyway, cake. Right, here you go. This one looks really good. This one looks really good. This one looks like a pound cake.
Ooh. Ooh-hoo-hee. Ooh-hoo-hoo-hoo-hee. Okay guys, so those are my kebabs. Those are my mom's perfect round ones. Then we got all this food set up that UZAIR just did. I'm telling him to hide the cake because there's only enough for me and him.
This one, only these two are good, right?
Yeah, right?
Only these two are good, so that's the thing.
Okay, and now we're gonna show you how to make charabat. Oh, and then the rice is done too.
What mom is this?
Wait, mom has how to show.
Oh, why am I eating them? You
I
caught
just
it on
got
camera. You caught it on camera. I have this bad habit, right? Where when I walk around the kitchen too much, I end up picking at things and putting it in my mouth. And I just have to spit it out all the time.
Oh my god. It happens honestly to the best of us.
You know what? You don't even have enough lemons for that.
How many lemons you got?
We need lots of lemons.
What are lemons called? Nimu. We have Nimu. Nimu? Nimura, Nimura, Nimura.
Nimura, Nimura, Nimura.
Nimu is Nimura?
Nimu?
Or Limu? Limu? I know Nimura is lime because of that song.
Limon.
Alright, ruhavza and tanda pani. You can obviously make it in. I mean, you guys probably.
Hurry up.
Okay, tell me when to stop.
Get mom's lemon squeezer.
Oh yeah, you can do that one. So yeah, you guys probably know.
You never asked me if I want to use these things like when we're filming.
I'll ask you.
Like, hey, Zaid, do you want to try the one lemon squeezer? No, she'll never ask that. You would think she would ask that, right? She never asked that once. I get to finally use it. If you go on the channel, she used it so many times.
Okay, you think it should be darker? Because it's not dark enough.
No, I think that's nice.
Sorry, it's not dark enough, you think?
I think you need to pour some out for ice.
No, put ice now. Ice you should put in your own cup. Put it with the,
Nimura, Nimura, Nimura.
I think we'll need more of this. Mom adds sugar too. Do we need to add sugar?
She acts like it's very difficult. Let's see if
Do we need to add sugar? Don't squeeze it everywhere.
How should we do this so they can see here?
There's a pourer there, so come here. Can we add more ruhavza?
But now no one's in the
Idiot!
screen.
Why are you that far?
Alright, ready? Oh yeah. Oh, it's just as fun as I thought. It's just as fun as lava. It's just as fun as I thought.
It's going everywhere.
What are you talking about?
So this is called ruhavza lemonade.
No, it's called sharbat.
But I'm talking about English.
No, then it's called rose syrup lemonade. And you're gonna have to add sugar too.
So let me go grab sugar.
But you put it upside down.
So this is enough. I feel like we need to add more ruhavza. Hold on, I'm gonna add more ruhavza.
Hold on, I'm adding lemonade.
No, take it off the lemon. Going in the ruhavza.
You're going.
Mom.
I know. You wanna know where mom's going? Mom.
Mom.
Come here.
Yo,
can you
what's
try
wrong?
This? Oh wait, nobody can try it because we're all fasting.
Hello. Come.
How come? I have a question to ask you. How come you've never let me use this on our channel before? It's so fun.
I let him.
And you never let me use it.
I let him use it. I let him use it in my channel.
You've never let me try this once. Huh? What else are you hiding from me that's really fun?
I do every day. I'll give you that dhania ka tanki. Wash करके रखना
How much chini do you put in this?
इसमें शरबत और डालो बेटा रंग अच्छा नहीं है अभी इसका
That's what Lava said. But yo, don't make it too much wrong though. It's better with the light.
But in
rum.
water,
That's it. Stop.
But in water, it's not that strong.
Yeah,
but in water, the
you gotta add sugar though. Okay.
Zaid, don't put ice in this. I said ice goes in the separate.
Shut the hell up.
You're annoying. Ice goes in the separate cups, Zaid. Ice goes in the separate cups. He's so annoying. He never listens to me. Handy.
you got slapped twice, kid. Now show me your hand. Ah!
It's not even sharp enough.
It's scary though. No, I can't.
Can I make raita?
Nibura.
No, I was talking about
Nibura.
Uh-huh.
That's not how it goes. What, Mom?
रोजे हैं गाने का.
Yo, honestly, I'm going to hell. Mom, I ate rice, bro.
Twice.
I ate one rice. Huh? Ek dafa.
Why is always happen? You accidentally, Allah ने हमें तो accidentally नहीं खिलाते.
I think Allah feeds his
feels
favorite.
bad for him.
Allah feeds his favorites. Ah!
उसे तोड़ो नहीं.
Ooh.
Besan.
So she's telling us her favorites. So we know
laddu.
basin.
And
Okay, so what would you go with? No basin left? No laddus left?
what's
Then
your
what do you
next
for?
go
Then I
to?
will go kaju.
Okay.
And
Then I'll go this.
Okay.
then?
Then I'll go pede. Then I'll go.
So there's nothing you don't
What
like?
about-
Guys, someone just rang the doorbell and we got really freaked out, but it was our front neighbor. You guys know who you are because you guys watch my vlogs. And thank you so much. They just left us some biryani and made our iftar even better.
I'm actually mad excited.
What did you say about our ruhabza?
बेकार ना रूह अफ़ज़ा का फ्लेवर ना चीनी का फ्लेवर ना लेमन. लेमन का आ रहा है. रूह अफ़ज़ा का नहीं आ रहा.
क़यामत की निशानी है.
Na shukriya
Usually
people.
बच्चे कंप्लेन करते हैं, यहाँ पे माँ बाप complain
एक दिन
करते हैं.
इन्होंने शरबत बनाना था और ये सिर्फ फ्राई करने थे. That's it.
I'm not gonna lie
Who do
though.
you think made this biryani?
अल्लाह मेरे.
I'm not gonna lie though. We made this pretty bad. Like
Really?
there's 2 spoons of sugar in this. It's not that good.
उज़ैर का कलर देखो.
So we had to put, mom was right, we had to put more ruhabza. It had to be a full red.
सारी कैलोरीज आया होगा.
Okay. Goodbye guys. Have a good Ramzan.